The video is starting in about 20 seconds, so make sure to watch until the very end to discover why consuming more garlic is the key to keep your heart health optimal, and watching until the end of this short video helps support our channel. Before we get into the video, make sure you subscribe, turn on notifications, and comment down below saying I subscribed, and we'll make sure to respond. Number 1. One of the biggest factors of garlic is that it can help boost your immune system. This comes down to the main component of garlic called allicin, which is an antibacterial and antiviral agent. There are even garlic pills you can take for when you have a cold, which are based on the component allicin. When you combine this with the vitamin C and vitamin B6 content found in garlic, it makes it a force to be reckoned with if you have a cold. Vitamin C and vitamin B6 both aid in keeping the immune system healthy as well. Number 2. Have you ever heard of heavy metals? No, not the music. Heavy metals are certain metals in the body we take in via food, water, and many other sources. While a small amount of them are required for the body, too much of them are harmful. Garlic contains a mineral called sulfur, and sulfur has been shown to protect the organs in our body from harmful heavy metal toxins. Number 3. One of the most common causes of speeding up the aging process is oxidative stress from free radicals built up over time. This can cause mental disorders when we are older, like Alzheimer's and dementia. Within garlic, there are antioxidants that can help protect the body from oxidative stress by reducing cell damage. This, in combination with the other health benefits of garlic, may reduce the chances of brain diseases like Alzheimer's. Number 4. Cardiovascular issues are the biggest cause of death globally, specifically heart attack and strokes. One of the biggest causes of this is high blood pressure. Studies have been shown that using doses of garlic can actually help treat high blood pressure. Sometimes it was even as effective as regular medicines when high doses of garlic were used. Number 5. This goes hand in hand with our last point, and that's that garlic may reduce your cholesterol levels, therefore resulting in a lower chance of heart disease. Garlic can reduce your overall cholesterol rates and lower your bad LDL cholesterol. Since we have two types of cholesterol, garlic won't affect your good HDL cholesterol, but it will lower the bad LDL cholesterol. Now you can see that when you lower your cholesterol, plus reduce your blood pressure, it can result in better heart health. This keeps your heart healthy and beating properly. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below your favorite part, and we'll make sure to respond. Make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of healthy eating tips, nutrition facts, and much more.